In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to make a snip and sketch picture out of your PowerPoint slide and then submit it to Canvas in the discussion reply. So I'm ready to go. I'm in Employment Law's Gallery Walk, and I'm going to pull up my poster. Now I happen to already have mine saved, but I've got it. And what I'm going to do is, instead of submitting it as a PowerPoint slide, I'm going to submit this as a picture file so that others who are looking at the discussion reply won't have to click on anything. It'll just be there as a picture. So come down and find Snip and Sketch. And I'm just going to come down to my little search bar right here and type in SN, and it comes up. You can use Snipping Tool. Apparently Snipping Tool is going away, so you might as well learn how to use Snip and Sketch, which is the new and improved version. And I'm going to click New, and then I'm going to highlight my one PowerPoint slide, and then I'm going to save it. And you can just save it somewhere easy, like in this PC documents, which is fine. I would label it so that you know which one it is, and this is the Employment Law. So I'm saving it in my documents. Just make sure you know where you're saving it is the main point. Okay. So now I have my one PowerPoint slide saved as a snip picture, and I'm going to go back into Canvas, and I'm going to hit Reply, and then I'm going to use this little Embed Image option. It looks like a little mountain. I'm going to click that, hit Canvas, My Files, Upload File, and then I'm going to go find it. There it is. It was in my documents. There's my slide, and I open and update, and there it is. Okay, and then make sure you go ahead and hit Post Reply so it will be there. And then what we'll do on Wednesday and Friday especially, is we'll be looking at everyone's poster and checking those out and learning from other students and commenting on them. Okay, that's it. Good luck.